In this video, I'll be showing you how to use a LilyDrip with your pour-over coffee. So the LilyDrip is a small ceramic piece that is shaped somewhat like a diamond and goes in the bottom of your brewer. It works for V60 or also the origami, really any brewer that is pour-over that has a small enough hole that it could sit at the bottom. So the Chemex or some of the other ones have too big of a hole at the bottom, and so it doesn't really work for those, but it works for really anything that has a cone shape hole at the bottom and would allow that to sit in it. So the first step is to shape the filter. So you're going to want to take your filter. It always works best to kind of fold over at the crease, and then you use this tool that comes with the LilyDrip to form kind of the shape of the filter into like an inverse triangle cone shape. So there's a few different techniques. I found the easiest way is just to gently kind of use your finger to form to that shape and create this kind of inverse cone shape, and then you simply set the LilyDrip into the brewer. There's a few different styles. They all work exactly the same process. They essentially just determine the flow rate of the water. So this is the Lily version of the LilyDrip, and I think that it works well for V60, so that's what I use most of the time. And then you set your paper filter on top, grab your brewer and set it here, and then you simply need to pre-wet the filter, and then you can kind of see the LilyDrip at the bottom there. That just kind of helps, having it there helps it just keep the shape so that it doesn't kind of sink back down as you pour water and the coffee on top. Once a filter is pre-wet, you're just going to pour your coffee grounds into the brewer like you normally would. The big difference being that you're going to have this shape in the middle, so you just kind of shake to even out the grounds, and you'll see that the LilyDrip is poking out in the middle there. So when you're pouring your grounds or pouring your water, you want to keep it kind of around the outer ring. That's kind of the most even areas of the ground, and kind of keeps that coffee to the sweet depth where it works the best. So from this point forward, it's really just like making any other V60 or pour over coffee option. It's the same process. The only thing that I'll mention is when you're finished brewing, you want to make sure to take the filter and throw just it away instead of just dumping it, which may be what I used to do. And I've accidentally thrown away the LilyDrip a few times and had to dug through the trash to get it. So you don't want to do that. But essentially kind of pouring it is the same process. And it's a great kind of simple way to take your coffee making to the next level, and really easy to set up. So hope you enjoy.